Hello, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to make a simple dinner, just wrap sandwich. I'm going to make experiment today. I have this picadillo that I made earlier. I'm going to wrap it up with this multigrain wraps. I found this one at grocery store. And I have this chicken breast that is already sliced. And I have mozzarella cheese. And I have pesto. And I have some green leaves and basil. Also avocado and tomatoes. Okay, let's do this. Experiment the wrap sandwich. Okay, first we need to cut the avocado and tomato. Right? Here we go. I got it. And I want that black one there. Why the avocado have black? I don't have nails. I cut all my nails. I cannot type. It's so long. Let's slice avocado like this, long. There's another little block there too. Now let's cut the tomato. I cut the tomato this way, that way it's like it's easy to spread. Good. Then put cheese on it and avocado. This is my experiment. And a little leaves, green leaves. You can do spinach, any kind of leaves you want. That works. With pesto. Not too much. This one has tomato, and she wants with avocado. And she said a little cheese. Okay, let's go ahead and arrange the the plates for it. So I'm going to do the picadillo. So this is the chicken wrap. I just cut it like diagonal. Alright guys, here is my simple dinner tonight. This is my Picadillo wrap, and this is my pesto with chicken wrap. Okay, see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie, see ya.